Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the factorization of polynomials using suitable identities. Now we are going to do the fifth question of 2.5 exercise, and then the first one 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. How will you find out which identity we have to use? Yes, I'll tell you something. Just count the terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. Then you have to think about the identity. Which identity gives you 6 terms in the right hand side or in the left hand side? Which identity you will get 6 terms? Then you start the identities. A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, x plus a into x plus b, a square minus b square. Then next, what is the next one then? X plus y plus z the whole square. What about x plus y plus z the whole square? What you have learned? It is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then you have to count how many terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 terms are there. Here also 6 terms are there. Then find out which all terms it is similar. Here square terms, 3 square terms are there. Here also 3 square terms are there. Right? So like that you have to identify which identity you are going to use. Then next one we have studied about what? X plus y the whole cube, x minus y the whole cube. For that how many terms are there? 4 terms each. So only this identity got 6 terms. So just find out how many terms are there and then use the identity. Okay. Now they had given you the RHS, means all the right hand side terms are there. So you have to find out the LHS. You have to find out what is x, what is y, what is z. So how will you find out then? First what you should do? Take the first term x square. Here it is 4x square. So x square is equal to 4x square. Then what is x? Then only we can fill this one. Right? How will you find out x? X square means x into x. 4x square means what? It is 2x into 2x. Just like 2 into 2, 4. X into x is x square. Now we want only 1x. That means x is equal to then 1, 2x you have to take. Only 1, 2x. So x we got, x is equal to 2x. Clear? Next one, just take next term. Y square is equal to 9y square. So here it is y square is equal to 9y square. What is y then? How will you find out? Y square means y into y. It is 9y square means it will be 3y into 3y. You have to split and find out. Okay, same number it should come because it is a square number. Which are the square numbers? 1 into 1, 1 is a square number. 2 into 2, 4 is a square number. Like that, that are the perfect square numbers. So this is a square number 9. 3 into 3, y into y. So here it is 3 into 3 is 9, y into y is y square. What is y then? Y equals 3y. Okay, then find out the next one then, z square. Z square is equal to, what is the third term? 16 z square. 16 also a perfect square. 16 means it is 4 into 4. So z square means it is z into z is equal to 4z into 4z. Then what is Z? Z is equal to 4Z. 4Z only you have to take. So Z is equal to 4Z. Now you got X, Y and Z. So you have to find out next one. What is the first one? 2xy. Here this is a 2xy. So it is 2xy. If we use x is equal to 2x, what will I get then? 2xy is equal to 2 into, what is x? X is 2x into, what is y? It is 3y. Now 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12xy. Got this answer, right? So 2xy is equal to 12xy. Then find out the next one then. 2y is it? 2y is it? We got it as 24y is it? So 2, here we will find out. 2y is it? It is 2 into, what is y? Y is 3y into, what is z? Z is equal to 4z. So 2yz is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 4s are 24, y into z, yz. Clear? Then one negative sign is that we will discuss later. Then next one, what is the next one? 2zx, 2zx equals 2 into, what is z? Z is 4z into, what is x? It is 2x equals 2 into 4, 8, 8 2s are 16x is it. Here also minus or negative sign is there. Other all the numbers and all means all the factors are all, it is same thing. 24y is it you got, 16x is it you got. But the thing is that negative sign is there. Why it is negative sign? Just find out which factor is common for both of them. Which variable is common for both of them. Here look, it is y is there, but here there is no y. Here x is there is no x. But here z is common for both of them. That means wherever z is there is negative. That means what? Wherever z is there, that means here you have to write negative 4z. Now we will check it. Okay, so here z is there. So here also a negative 4z you have to write. Here full positive into positive, positive, positive into negative, negative. Now look, negative 24y is it. Again z is here. So here it is 4 is it. So 2 into negative 4 is it. Now positive into negative, negative, negative into positive, negative. So negative 16x is it. Clear? Whenever there is negative sign, find the variable which got negative sign. There you have to apply. Now z square, how will you find out z square? Negative 4z into negative 4z. Negative into negative, positive 4z into 4z, 16z square. It is here 16z square. That means all the things are correct now. X square means it is 4x square, y square means it is 9y square, z square means it is negative 4z into negative 4z. You will get the answer positive 16z square. And then after that 2xy you have to find out. X into y, it is 2 into x into y. You will get 12xy. Then here it is 2y z got negative sign. So here it is negative. This one also here you have to check with the question. The next one 2zx, negative 16x z, negative 16x z. So 2zx is equal to negative 16x z. From here what you can write then? It is x plus y plus z is equal to z the whole square equals, what is x? X is 2x plus, what is y? Plus 3y. What is z? Minus 4z the whole square. and then write the question and answer together. It is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square equals. First you write the question, then you write the answer. So which is the question now? Question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz equals what? It is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. This is the answer you have to write. This question you have to find out where is the negatives and that all the things when you have to think. So first what you should do? Find out the identity, which identity you have. Here 6 terms are there, and with the 6 terms only one identity we have. It is x plus y plus z the whole square. Then find out what you have to find from the question itself. That means here it is, they had given you LHS, you have to find out the RHS. If you want RHS means you have to find out what is x, what is y, what is z. They had given you x square, y square and z square, then 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. That we are going to learn by how first you find out what is x square, then what is x. Then y square, find out y. Then find out z square, then what is z. Then you have to prove that 2xy, 2yz, 2zx, with this xyz, it is the correct terms you got from the question. There you are proving that our x, y, z are correct. After that what you have to do? You have to find out which are the x, y, z, the whole square, you will get the answer. Okay, this is the second question. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus xz. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So which identity you are going to use? X plus y plus z the whole square. So the identity is x plus y plus z the whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now what is the next section? They had given you the RHS, right hand side they had given you. You have to find out the left hand side. Clear? So how will you find out the left hand side? You have to substitute to each one. X square means it is, first term it is 2x square. So x square is equal to 2x square. How will you find out x then? Here look, 2 is not a perfect square. Which are the square numbers? 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. It goes on, right? Now look, here 2 is not there. This 2 is not there, right? In between 1 and 4 is there. That means you have to make it as a square number. How it will be? Just look. X square means it is x into x. What all things you multiply? The same number if you multiply, you have to get the answer 2. Which number? The same number. 2 numbers should be multiplied. You have to get the answer 2. 1 into 1, 1. That we will not get. 2, it is not there. 2 into 2 is 4. So, any other number do you remember? Which 2 numbers? That means the same numbers you have to multiply. You have to get the answer 2. Got? It is root 2 into root 2. You will get the answer what? 2 you will get. Yes or no? Yes. Here it is root 2 into root 2, it is 2. Then x square means into x. Then what is x here? X is equal to, take the first root 2, take the first x, root 2x. So x is equal to root 2x. Then next section. What is the next section now? It is y square. Y square equals y square itself. That means y into y, it is here also y into y. If you take the first term, okay, y equals y. Okay, now next one then. What is z square? It is z square is equal to 8z square. Then what out is it? Z into z, you will get, what out this 8? 8 is a square number? No. Here it is, just look, 9 is a square number, not 8. So you have to find out which number, if you multiply the same number, you have to multiply, you have to get the answer 8. How will you find out? Just find out the factors of 8. 8 is 2 4s are 8, again 2, again 2. Okay, you will do like this, right? So 2 is 2 4s are 8, and then again 2 2s are 4. Prime factorization, you know. So for this 8, we will write like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into z into z. But here it is not, now look here and all, it is 2 2 each, root 2 into root 2. Then x into x. From there you are taking 1 root 2, 1x. Here can we do like this? So again what you have to do is make this 2. First 2 we are going to write. The third 2 as root 2 into root 2. Then into z into z. Now look, twice they are multiplying. If they multiply twice, then only we can take the first one number. Clear? Twice they are doing, then from there we can take that number. Only one number we want. Here just look, twice it is multiplying. Here twice it is multiplying. Here twice it is multiplying. Now we can find out z. How will you find out z? Take the, from the twice numbers, you have to take the first one, 2 into root 2 into z. So z is equal to 2 root 2 z you will get. How we got? Just you split it and then make it as twice it should come. Here and all, when it comes twice, then only you are taking the first one. Here taking the first one. Same way, you have to make this also twice. Here 1, 2 is alone. Here these 2 are twice it comes, but here this 2 is alone. So what you have to do? That to make it as root 2 into root 2, you will get like this. Okay. Then next section, what you have to do? Now you got x, y and z. Using this one, you have to find out 2xy, 2yz and 2zx. Before that, what you have to do? Find out the sign. Just look here, 2 root 2 xy is there, minus xz is there. Which is a common for both of them? Which variable? Here x is there, here also x is there. Here y is there, here is it. So which is a common for both of them? X is common. That means that x got negative sign. So just put the negative sign for the x term. Clear? Now you have to start now. What is 2xy? 2xy. What you find out? X is here, y is there. Just find out 2xy and whether it is equivalent to this question or not. So 2 into x is negative root 2x into y is y. So 2xy equals negative, positive into negative, negative, negative into positive, negative. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, x into y is xy. 2xy is equal to negative 2 root 2 xy. Is it correct? Okay. Same thing we got. Now next one. After 2xy, what you have to find out? 2yz, 2yz equals, what is y? So first you write 2 into y is y itself, z is equal to 2 into root 2 into z. So 2yz equals, any negative sign is there? No. Only positive sign is there. Then find out the numbers now. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into root 2, 4 root 2 yz. Is it correct? 4 root 2 yz. Now last term. What is the last term? Here it is 2zx. Means what? 2 into z is, what is it? 2 root 2 z into, what is x? X is negative root 2x into, what is x? X is negative root 2x. Now multiply now. 2 into 2. Just find out the numbers first. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into root 2 into root 2. That will write now. It will be better. Into z into x. What about negative sign? It is only one negative sign is there. Positive into positive. Positive, positive into positive, 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 negative, negative. Equals negative 4 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 into z into x. It is 2zx is equal to negative 4 into 2. It is negative 8. Negative 8zx. Negative 8zx. Same thing is x is said. No problem for that. 4 into 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. Both of you change the digits. No problem for the multiplication. So same thing you got from the question itself. You got the same answer. 2z is equal to negative 8xz. That means what? What you have taken as x, y and z, it is correct. So just substitute. The question is equal to 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus xz is equal to, x is negative root 2x plus y is y, then z is equal to 2 root 2z plus 2 root 2z, the whole square. This is the answer for the question. Okay, clear? Okay, this is the third question from exercise number 2.5. Eighth question, second problem. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. You have to factorize. So this one also factorize. Now what you have to do first? You have to find out the identity, suitable identity you have to find out. Here cube is there, two terms with the cube is there, and then a square b is there, ab square is there. Now at least you have to think which identity is there with the two terms with the cube and then a square b and ab square. Suppose it is x and y is there, how will you do it? Then next thing, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. 4 terms with the cube means which is the identity. And one more thing is there, here negative sign is there. So what it will be? It is x minus y the whole cube equals x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. This is the identity. Now what they had given you? They had given you the right hand side. This is the answer they had given you. Okay. And you have to find out what is x, what is y. And first you find out from the x cube what is x. From the y cube you have to find out what is y. Then substitute with 3x square y and 3xy square whether the question is the same terms we got it or not. We will get it or not. Okay, now we'll start. First thing, x cube. X cube will take it as 8a cube. X cube is equal to 8a cube. Now you have to remember which are the cube numbers. First one, 1 into 1 into 1. 3 times multiply, it is a cube. 1 cube equals, what will I get? It is 1. What are 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So 2 cube is equal to 8. What are 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. Then 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. What are 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. What is 6 cube? 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, 216. What are 7 cube? 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is 343. Then 8 cube. 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 8, it is 512. Then 9 cube. 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9, it is 729. And then what is 10 cube? That you all know. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. So these are things you have to remember. Okay. Now look, it is 8a cube. Here 8 is there, that means 2 cube. So x cube means it is x into x equals 2a into 2a into 2a. Is it correct? 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8. A into 8 is a cube. So what is x then? Take the first x, that means take the first answer 2a. So x is equal to 2a. Next one, y cube. Y cube means it is b cube. Here it is minus sign is there, here is minus sign is there, so no need to worry. Okay. So b cube, it is y into y is equal to b into b. So what is y? It is b. Y is equal to b. Okay, now the next one, what is it? Now you got x and y you got. What is next step? You have to find out 3x square y. So 3x square y equals 3 into what is x? It is 2a square into what is y? It is b. 3 into 2a square means 2a into 2a then into b. It is 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. It's equal to 12a into a square b. 12a square b. You got 12a square b. Minus 3x square y means minus 12a square b you got. Okay. Next one, 3xy square. It is 3xy square equals 3 into what is x? 2a into y square is b square. Y is b. So y square is b square equals 3 into 2, 6 ab square. It is 6ab square here also we got. That means our x and y is correct. So just write the question then. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square equals, it is x minus y. X is 2a minus y is b and it is the whole cube. 2a minus b the whole cube. That is the answer for that. Clear? Fourth question from the 8th question, third problem. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225 square. Same thing, 27 means some cube terms that you have to find out. It is 3 cube it is, right? So it is a cube term, and then now look, 125a cube. Here also cube terms is 125 means 5 cube. Then you have to remember it will be the which identity? It is, and here it is 2 minus sign, 1 plus sign. It is what you can say? It is x minus y the whole cube equals x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Now find out x and y. What is x? Here look, x cube is 27. Means what? X into x, that is x cube. 27 can be written as, it is 3 cube, that means 3 into 3. No variables, only numbers are there, only constant term is there. So no, there is no variable, there is no alphabet. So here x is there, here 3. So x is equal to 3. X equals 3. Next what you have to find out? Y. Here already they had given you a right hand side, you have to find out the left hand side. That means you have to find out x and y. Now next one, what is y cube? Here look, it is y cube here. That means here it is a cube. Here it is minus is there, here also minus is there. So there is no problem. No need to worry about the negative sign. So y cube equals 125a cube. That means y into y equals 125 means it is 5 cube. That means 5 into 5 into 5 into a into a into a. Right? So it is y you have to take it, means it is y is equal to 5 is there, a is there. It is 5a. Clear? So 2 factors are there, that 2 factors you have to take. Don't think that only 5 will be enough. No, that variable also you have to take. Now y is equal to 5a. Now what you have to do? You have to check whether 3x square y is what? 3xy square is equal to what? So here it is 3x square y. 3x square y equals 3 into x is 3, that means 3 square into y is 5a. That means 3 into 9 into 5a. What will you get then? 3 into 9, 27, 27 into 5. 27 into 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 135a. Is it 135a? Yes. 3x square y, yes. 135a. Minus is there, minus is there. So 3x square y equals 135a. Clear? What is the next one then? 3xy square. Positive. So 3xy square equals 3 into x is 3 into y square is 5a the whole square. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5a into 5a. That means 9 5s are 45, 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 2, 4 to 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So it is 225, a into a is a square. That means 3xy square. So this is 3xy square and then 3x square y. Okay, so same thing we got, same answers we got, and it is the suitable identities x minus y the whole cube. So now the question and answer: 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square equals, what is x, what is y? X is 3 and then minus y is 5a. the whole cube. 3 minus 5a the whole cube is the answer. Okay. Okay, then we will do the next problem. This is the fifth question. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Now here also you have to find out how many cube terms are there. Here just look, 27p cube. 27 also it is a cube term, and then 216 it is also a cube term. Cube term or cube number, cubical number it is. So you have to use which one? Here also just look, 2 minus sign, 1 plus sign. So in the just which identity you have to use? X minus y the whole cube equals x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Just look, 2 minus sign, 1 plus sign. And how many terms are there? 4 terms are there. Here also 4 terms. Then 2 cubical terms are there. Here also 2 cubical terms are there. So what you have to do then? They have given you the right hand side. You have to find out the left hand side. You have to find out x and y. So first you find out x and y. Then you have to check it whether you will get the same answer or not. So what is x cube? Here x cube is 27p cube. X cube is equal to 27p cube. Means what? X into x equals 27 means it is 3 into 3 into 3 into p cube means p into p. Then what is x? It is x is equal to 3 and then variable p is there. X is equal to 3p. Then what about y? Here it is y cube minus y cube. Here 1 by minus 1 by 216. Minus and minus, here it is there, so no need to worry about it. So y cube is equal to 1 by 216. 216 is 6 cube. So y cube means y into y equals 1 by 6 cube it is, so 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. 1 into 1 into 1, 6 into 6 into 6, 216. So what is y then? Y is equal to 1 by 6. Now you have to check whether 3x square y and 3xy square are correct or not. Minus sign is there, so this will be 3x square y may be minus 9 by 2 p square. We will check it out. So 3x square y equals 3 into x is 3p. 3p into 3p into y is 1 by 6. Can you cancel anything? Here it is 3, 2 is there. Again can you cancel? No. So 3 into 3, 9. 9p divided by 2. That means 9p divided by 2 is 9 by 2p. Right. Then here it is 3x square y is equal to 9 by 2p. Then what is the next thing then? Next is 3x y square equals 3 into x is 3p into 1 by 6 the whole square. Right. So it is 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. Can you cancel? Yes, 3 2s are 6. Here also 3 2s are 6. So here it will be p is there, p into 1 into 1, p then divided by 2 into 2, 4, p by 4. That means it is 1 by 4 p. Right. So it is 3xy square equals p by 4 and it is 1 by 4 p you can write. Right. How will it look to 1 by 4 p? It is 1 by 4 into p. Means p into 1 is p divided by 4. That means 1 by 4 p it is. 3x square y. It is 1 by 4 p. So what you can say then? Question is equal to answer 27 p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Now all the things you have to check it out. It is x cube means it is 27 p cube, you got x, and y also you got with this x and y, you got 3x square y correctly and 3xy square also correctly you have got. That is why the answer is x minus y. X is 3p minus y is 1 by 6 the whole cube. This is the answer you will get. 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Okay, clear? Okay, then. These are the homeworks for you. Exercise number 2.5, 8th question, first problem and fourth problem. Only 2 homeworks for you. Okay, from the textbook itself. Okay, do it yourself. Don't copy it from anybody and try to understand and do. Be careful when you do it. Okay, thank you very much.